Hey everybody, Kelly, Flip with Kelly coming at you. How's everybody doing today? Um, so just got back from meeting the appraiser at the property, and it was a female. And there's some non-paying tenants and squatter in the lower unit, uh, non-paying tenant upstairs, which I don't know technically if one's different than the other. I don't know if the squatters had permission to even move in the first place, but so yeah, we went over there. I met the appraiser there. The owner was sick. He's got some heart problems and 80 some years old. So we were hoping he could make it out, but he never did show up. So um, anyways, so he I met her over there, and she's like, "Well, is it okay if I take some measurements of the outside first?" So I'm like, "Yeah." So I just waited in the car. It's winter. It's cold out. So she I don't know, maybe 10, 15 minutes of taking measurements outside. Then I went upstairs to the upper unit, and which I had put notes out, sticky notes, last Friday, a couple days ago, a few days ago here. So they knew we were coming, and we were hoping we could get in because the owner didn't show up, and he's got the key in case we weren't able to be let in. But we got let into both the units, went into the upper unit, and a young buck is up there. He's planning on going to Texas for his music career. He's hopeful that that'll take off for him. So I wished him the best on that. And he asked about having some notice, some time to get out and to move out. And so that's kind of what the eviction process is for, right? But anyways, I told him I'd pass that request along to my partner. So so that went really good. Got let in right away, and the appraiser went through and took pictures. And then we went to the lower unit where the squatters were and got let in because we put a note on their door, and that we'd be coming out 11 o'clock this morning. And that guy was really pleasant, that answered the door, let us in. We were talking about this, that, and the other, and smoking and all kinds of, health and whatever. But then this lady comes out into the kitchen where we were, and the appraiser, she's going through and taking pictures. So we had ample time to get all the pictures taken, which was key. But she comes out there and she's like, "Well, who are you? And I don't even know if you should be here." And then she was saying something about the seller having a land contract with another party or a partner of his or something. And we're like, "Well, we don't know anything about that, but we can relay that message to my partner and to the bank and everybody that's involved in the transaction here, because we want to, if there is a problem, we do want to catch that earlier than later." Although in my mind, I'm thinking the title company would find that out from doing a title search. And who knows? Maybe she was being truthful. Maybe she has a misunderstanding. Maybe she's lying. It'll come out as time goes on here. But we are set to close this Friday on the 17th, or 27th, I believe, which is coming right up. And we needed to get the appraiser in there so she'd get her pictures taken. She got measurements of the outside of the property. So I'm thinking we got accomplished what we went over there to do. So that's a good thing. And the rest is out of my control. But if there's another issue, we'll run into it and deal with it, or hopefully the deal closes and we get her across the finish line. So just wanted to share that with you. Yeah, it's a kind of a deal over there because the owner got tired landlord, sick landlord, old landlord with a heart problem landlord with maybe a pacemaker. He had heart surgery, and then I think he may have a pacemaker, or he had an appointment with the doctor. He was saying something about a pacemaker. So he kind of let the place run down, which then the tenant stopped paying, and the upper unit neither units have any water now because the water had to be shut off because there was a stream, like a water hose stream or bigger, blowing right at some electrical stuff. Not good. But and then the downstairs lower unit, they only have half electricity, and I don't even know if there's much for heat in that lower unit, and it's just kind of a mess. But that's wholesaling opportunity. This is Kelly. Smash the like button and subscribe. Found any value. Have a great one. Kelly out.